In this video, I will show you how to add same animation to all captions in CapCut. So now after you open the CapCut, now here is now my caption. So now if I want to add same animation to all of the caption, all I have to do now, I'll just select all the captions like this. After you select all the captions, go to this animation. After you go to the animation, so here you go to this caption again. Under this caption, now go ahead and select the animation you want to add. So I'll just go ahead and choose this one. So after you choose the animation you want to add, so as you can see now the animation will be applied to all my captions. So if I play caption, so let's play the video and see. So as you can see now all the animation, all the caption have same animation. And if you want to change again, all you have to do just go ahead and select all the caption. After you select all the caption, go to the animation section, go to caption. So here you can select the caption you want to add to all of them. Just make sure to select all the caption before you apply the animation. So I'll just go ahead and choose, let's say I'll choose this one. So if you choose animation, so to apply to all the caption, let's play and see. So that's it guys on how to add same animation to all captions in CapCut. Be sure to like and subscribe.